Hello there, Katrina. Happy anniversary, Katrina. Roy has asked me to let you know that you are going to parachute from 10,000 feet up in the sky. How's about that then? Sounds like fun, huh? No, I'm just messing with you. It is, in fact, naked bungee jumping. Yay! If that doesn't sound great, he has bought you some horse riding lessons. Have a wonderful anniversary. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Oh, thinking about our younger years. That was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away.